This is winter storm. I don't know what the hell the name of it was. But it's been snowing since about 9 o'clock last night. It's still going a little bit. It's about 11 a.m. in the morning now. And yeah, it was pretty intense. This was probably the first really big snowstorm of the year. And you can see all the big piles of snow where people have been shoveling. You see this entire block, everybody's out kind of hard at work getting the snow off their driveways and off the sidewalk so they can walk around. But you see, like these tempos here, they'll keep it off your front porch, but as you can see, it only helps so much. You're still gonna have to get your ass outside and shovel eventually. But this street right here gets it really bad. Whoa. Okay, how am I gonna get in here? Public transportation is still running though. That's one good thing we have. No matter how bad the weather is, you can get around if you want to, bad enough. Over here is what remains of a sidewalk. It's really just a trench right now. And even the deepest I plant my foot, I'm still probably standing on about half a foot of snow right now. You can just see the kind of footprints from where people have already kind of tried to get through this. Just walking over here to the park near our house. Over here it's so bad you can't even walk on the sidewalk, so I'm just kind of walking in the street. You can see that's where the snow trucks already came through and cut that little line down the street, kind of just pushing it over to the side. Oh boy. People on this street still working too. Yeah, I usually go out here during the summer anyway. This is usually a halfway point when I'm rollerblading. Not during the winter though. A little bit hard to rollerblade in this kind of weather. Just a little bit. Just imagine having to dig your car out of this in the morning before you go to work. When the first snow trucks come down the street, they don't really pick it up. They just kind of plow through it and shove it over to the side, up against your car, into your driveway, everything. Oh boy. And speaking of cars, just to give you an idea of how deep that snow is. That is practically up to my knee where I'm standing. Oh, great. There's actually a trail over here. I was trying to find that hill right there. Usually people like when it gets like this, they take their sleighs and everything up there and they go sledding down that big hill over there. Surprised they're not out. It's a Sunday morning. Yeah, they'll probably be out later after they're done shoveling. Yeah. Now where's that trail? I just saw some guy walking it. Well, that's strange. There's a trench where that sidewalk is. Don't know how the hell I'm gonna get over to it. This mound of snow is up to my waist. Oh well. Whoa. Okay. Amazing stuff. Alright, I'm going back home. This is getting ridiculous. And now I'm back in front of the house after my little adventure. As you can see, that big pile of snow, it's about 6 feet tall. That's basically everything we shoveled out in front of the house this morning, and at least you can get down our sidewalk, unlike a lot of sidewalks you saw when I was walking around. We took care of business. But yeah, I think I'm about to go finally get inside where it's warm, because this is a little bit ridiculous out here right now. So until next time.